Oh, I see you're only around one wire. Oh, I'm gonna cut you off. Stupid fucking, what the hell was that? How are those attached? Okay, I see the zip tie. Cutting it. Cutting the zip tie. There we go. Snipping shit and getting shit done, yo. Pull this back down here. Get it out of my workspace. Yeah, you can see this cluster of wires and shit that I'm dealing with. So I'm trying to get this little connection unhooked so I can run a wire, but there's so much tape. Get the fuck out of here. I know that my speaker wires are a mess. I am fully aware of that. I've been in here trying to fix them, but my speakers are junk, and the wires to my speakers are junk. So the whole system's pretty much junk. I'm running on one speaker right now, as I pretty sure I mentioned that in the seat install video when I screwed the seat to the console wrong. Here it should be tan and black, should go to dark green, which then goes to dark green. But there's also a joint here where it turns into dark green. So basically, I'm gonna run that wire up to here, and then from here, I'm gonna cut it and branch off over to the glove box, connecting to the dark green wires. Shouldn't be too. We got the inside here temped up, so now we're gonna go back out there. Okay. Cool. Where's my Felix? Well, that's not good. That's what that is. It's brown, I would say. I have never seen that before. Okay. This is gonna be my power wire, just temporary. Oh, where's my fucking phone? This one. Pink. That kind of counts as red. Okay. So I'm gonna cut this here. This. And this is over here. You hit this. It works. It fucking works! Yeah! back to the yeah, boy! Fuck yeah!